What's your seasonal and weekly plan for digital minimalism? Hi guys, thanks for coming to my channel. This is where we're going to be looking at audiobooks and how we can improve what we can do and what we can learn from some of the best audiobooks in the world. And I want to let you in on a little secret. If you're not a fast reader, I'm not either. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be conquering that with audiobooks. We can listen to the audiobooks. I'll show you how, and if you have any questions, let me know. So let's get into this. I look forward to going on this journey with you. What's your seasonal and weekly plan for digital minimalism? He says you should set yourself objectives and habits. Objectives are things you want to achieve in the future, and habits are what you do daily to help you achieve those specific outcomes. One objective could be to learn a certain song. Then the strategies to learning that song could be to write down all the words, listen to other people sing it, understand how other people did it, and figure out what specific habits you want to do on a daily basis to help you get closer to that objective in the future, that future state. This book also talks about practicing consistency and consistently to help you make sure that you're doing what you want to do and you're getting closer to the goals that you want to get to. Be specific about what you want to achieve and when you want to achieve it, and then set your habits to help you achieve those goals. So habits could be, attend a networking event every week. Daily habits could be learn one word in Chinese every day if you want to do that, or do one sit-up or one press-up. You can make these habits tiny, like Tiny Habits says, to make us more likely to want to do them. And then when we do them, we'll start to feel better. And people change best by feeling good. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll be releasing more content every day, so make sure you check again tomorrow and have a look at the rest of my audiobook reviews. Have a great day. See you later.